Hi pretty angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun video. So if you like videos like these, go ahead, hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Stick with me for handbag videos, reviews, talking about clothing, all different types of videos. Let's go ahead, let's get started talking about this lovely handbag today. So today the bag that I wanted to talk about is this lovely beauty right here. This is the Coach Kacey Satchel. And I love this bag. The reason I love her so much is because she's in the lovely bright violet color. So I just wanted to talk to you girls about a few things with this bag. Let me see, where do we start? First of all, let me say that I will be back to do more reviews on the Kacey Satchel. I do have it in the signature block, color block pattern as well. You can see it right up there. We'll go ahead and pull her down in the future, do comparisons, reviews, all different types of things. We'll turn this bag inside out. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something because sometimes, you know, handbag reviews and talking about the lovely handbags is talking about our love for the bags, how we wear them, and just our experiences in this journey while we're, you know, buying handbags, wearing handbags, loving the handbags. So today what I wanted to talk to you about is, and we'll come back and do a full review of the bag. Today I just wanted to talk about the color. What got me on this beautiful bag is this lovely violet color. So the bright violet, of course it's like a dark pink, but years ago, many years ago, I had a Dooney and Burke bag that was in a beautiful raspberry color. It was a Dooney and Burke Florentine satchel in the raspberry color. And I have the video on my channel. I'll link it down below. And I had a little mishap with that bag and I ended up getting rid of it. And since that bag broke my heart, I have not been able to find another bag in the lovely raspberry color that my heart has been seeking. So I found other Dooney and Burke bags in raspberry, but the color just still wasn't hitting for me the way that particular bag was. You girls know sometimes with red, with pinks, all different colors, it's hard to find the exact color sometimes when you're looking for a bag that you want or that your heart desires. Well, this bright violet is one of the first bags that came along since that raspberry satchel that just really spoke to me in the pink color. I have the satchel, the Dooney and Burke satchel in fuchsia. I have a Dooney and Burke Flynn in a lovely pink fuchsia color. I think they call that color, it escapes me. I'll put it right here for you. But this shade of pink, this particular shade of pink, you girls, is what just really did it for me. Because it's like an adult pink. It's not too little girly. It's so beautiful. So when Coach came out with the Kacey Satchel in this lovely color, because they have the Kacey Satchel in so many different color block versions of it. But when they came out with this particular color, I was like, oh my God, add to cart right away, immediately. I have to pick it up. And I knew it was gonna go quick. It pretty much sold out and the color isn't available anymore, at least not at Coach online or the Coach outlet online. You probably have to pick it up through the secondary market at this point, but I pretty much just really had to have her. So I absolutely love her. And I just went ahead and wore her, I've worn her already. I went ahead and wore her with my lovely UGG scarf. With my outfit, I matched it up and just wore her with this lovely UGG scarf. This scarf is in a beautiful, beautiful, also type of rosemary color. It's a beautiful pink shearling. So pretty, this UGG scarf. And I just thought, you know, I matched it up. They don't have to be perfect in color, but they look really, really nice worn together. I'll see if I can go ahead and insert a photo of me rocking and wearing this beautiful scarf with this lovely bag. So I matched her up and wore her with this lovely UGG scarf, as well as I matched her up and wore her with these lovely gloves. And like I said, I just really, really enjoyed this color. This is a little bit darker shade of pink, but I just thought it looked really, really cute with this bag. So yeah, today I just wanted to talk about my love. I'm so happy to have this Kacey Satchel in this beautiful color, and I wanted to go ahead and add some different colors to my collection. You'll see, girls, lately I've just been trying to incorporate different colors in my handbag collection. So I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, more comparison videos, and you're gonna see her a lot on my channel, you guys. guys. So I'll be back and we'll discuss the Kacey Satchel by Coach even more. And I'll see you girls in my next video. Deuces!